am studying in 5th grade. Good morning everyone, my name is Sindhu. I am studying in 5th grade. Today we are saying if family addition rules. Kirtana, do you know how to hold pencil? Yes, Sindhu, I know. We should hold this like.
Kirtana, turn this way and say.
It is a ladder finger, it should be hand. It is a snake finger, it should be less. Hindu, do you know big family addition rules? Yes, Kirtana. 6 is 12. Kirtana, do you know what is it? 7? 7 is 2, call 2, call 10, send 5. Hindu, do you know 8 is? 8. Kirtana, do you know what is 9? Yes, Sindhu, I know. 9 is 4, call 4, call 10, send 5.